I'm Dr. Gary Johnson, a clinical audiologist here in sunny Scottsdale, Arizona. And I want to talk to you today about the different types of hearing aids and their basic cleaning. The different types of hearing aids include extended wear hearing aids, traditional in-the-ear hearing aids, traditional behind-the-ear hearing aids, and finally RIC, R-I-C, or right hearing aids. When we talk about an extended wear hearing aid, we're really speaking about lyric. This is a type of hearing aid that's inserted deep in the ear canal by your hearing healthcare professional and needs to be removed or changed every 8 to 10 weeks. This type of a hearing aid really has minimal cleaning and maintenance on your part, with the exception of visiting the hearing healthcare professional to have them change it. This hearing aid is generally purchased on a subscription basis. Subscription lengths can either be 1 year, 2 year, or 3 years, depending on your situation and the way your hearing healthcare provider handles lyric products. If you have specific questions about lyric or generally want more information regarding extended wear hearing aids, leave a comment below. I'd be happy to make a video about it for you. Cleaning of an in-the-ear hearing aid is fairly simple. These hearing aids are the hearing aids that only go in the ear. There is no piece behind the ear. So for these hearing aids, when they're removed at night, you wipe down or brush any debris from the hearing aid itself. The daily maintenance is just that wipe down and brushing. Your routine maintenance really revolves around changing a wax guard. At the end of the hearing aid, there will be a little white disc. That little white disc needs to be removed from the end of the hearing aid and replaced with a new one. That's done with a tool that either looks like a disc or a stick, depending on the exact model of hearing aid you have, and can be provided by your hearing healthcare provider. Similarly, RIC and right hearing aids, receiver in the canal and receiver in the ear hearing aids, have to be cleaned by wiping off the piece that goes in your ear and changing the wax guards. The difference here is the piece that's behind the ear is where the majority of the electronics are. The only part that's electronic that's in the ear is indeed the speaker. So the cleaning, again, is very similar to the in-the-ear model, with the additional process of brushing off the back of the hearing aid itself, which is where the microphones are housed. The next type of hearing aid is a traditional BTE hearing aid. So in a traditional behind-the-ear or BTE hearing aid, all of the electronics are located behind the ear, including the speaker. The sound is then funneled through a tube, either a slim tube or into a thicker tube into an ear mold. For this type of a hearing aid, you should be thoroughly wiping down the piece that goes in your ear every night, either wiping it down with a cloth or brushing it off. You should also be brushing off the back of the hearing aid where the microphones are located. This helps to prevent debris from building up on the microphone covers. If the hearing aid stops working or becomes weak, you can actually unhook the tube from the hearing aid itself, either the slim tube or the traditional tube which goes into the ear mold, and run a tool that you can get from your hearing healthcare provider. It actually looks like one of the broom bristles through the tube to help to push any wax, moisture, or other debris out of the tube. That's going to help keep things more clean and working better. Also, if you have a traditional style ear mold with a thicker tube coming out of it, those tubes do need to be changed every 4 to 8 months, depending on when they get hard. As the tube gets hard, it can change the acoustics and actually change the sound that you're getting through the hearing aids. Again, if you want to see a video, or if you have any desire for us to make a video with the wax traps and how to change them on a specific type of hearing aid, please leave a comment in the section below. Basic information here, just remember, daily maintenance helps to prevent major problems. wipe off the hearing aid, brush off the hearing aid, remove any visible debris from the hearing aid, and you will find that they will last longer and work better. Occasionally, you may have to do some deeper cleaning and may have to actually visit your hearing healthcare professional, asking them to do cleaning, as they can get to parts of the hearing aid that you can't really get to yourself. As always, hear well, live well, and if you like this video and it's provided you with some good information, please like below.